Hi, my name is Dr. Karen Willenbring, and I'm an integrative medicine physician at LECOM. And a lot of times people will ask the question, what is integrative medicine? And I think I'd like to explain what that is just by telling you a story to illustrate that. I am a family medicine trained physician as well as integrative, and I had the opportunity to actually work in a cardiology practice for a period of time. And in that practice, I was seeing a patient, and she was young and in her 30s, probably good body weight, exercise, seemed healthy overall, but she was coming to see us with high blood pressure and heart palpitations. And I just remembering, taking the history, doing all that we normally do in a traditional medicine visit, and didn't really get to anything that would indicate why she was having elevated blood pressures and palpitations, that were sudden onset for her. And so instead of just kind of adding medicines and doing what is traditionally done, I had a moment where I thought to myself, I think there's something deeper going on here. And I actually was practicing integrative medicine at that time, and that's a deeper look at a person's overall life, the things in their life like stresses and traumas and the social interactions. And a lot of times there's not enough time in a medicine visit to go there and deal with that. I happen to have some time at that point, and so I actually made a choice. I'm going to put on my integrative medicine hat and talk a little bit more with this patient. And come to find out, when I asked deeper questions about the stresses in her life, she shared with me that her father was dying of pancreatic cancer. And again, just being kind of hit with that knowledge and that reality for her, certainly that would elevate someone's blood pressure and cause stress, etc. And from an integrative medicine standpoint, I kind of had the choice: do I just offer some empathy and move on, or do I actually go a little deeper and establish that relationship a little bit more? And I chose, again, to act integratively. And I personally had recently lost my own father to pancreatic cancer, and our family had gone through the trials and tribulations of everything that entails. And so I chose in that moment to share with her that I had been through a very similar scenario. And with that sharing of information and that relationship, she was able to then go into great detail on what her struggles were. Of course, I didn't suggest solutions or answers, but I was just able to be present with her in that stressful and traumatic time period with an understanding that maybe other people didn't have. That was a healing encounter for her, and I think that's what medicine is all about. That's what integrative medicine is about. It's about those relationships. It's about an exchange. And if you would like an integrative medicine office visit, consult, please call our office at 814-868-2179.